Hello friends, it is Running Kimono and I hope you're all doing well this evening. This is kind of a run deal because this is a very rare double dip over at Walgreens. Special shout out to Instagrammer Couponing Craze. This is in fact her deal. She presented it to me this afternoon and I was like, oh my gosh. I did this deal about an hour ago, guys, so about 5:30 Eastern time, and it's working. So this is the digital coupon that you're going to need for this one, and even if you have the other one, which is a 4 off of 3 or whatever it is, this one will come off, and it worked for me because I had both of them clipped. So how you're going to do this, guys, is look for the brush that says Vivid on it because it's actually kicking back 2 register rewards. So we're looking for the $3 brushes that have the words Vivid. Okay, so here it is. Grabbing 4 of the Oral-B Vivid toothbrushes, that is $12. They're $3 a pop, so 4 times 3, $12. So that's $6.50 off of 4 will be coming off. No problems, no issues. You're paying $5.50 out of pocket, getting back 2 $5 register rewards, making this free, plus a $4.50 money maker. Now, if you want to use a little bit of your Walgreens cash to pay this down, absolutely do it. And I'll show you my receipt here. That's what I did, so I was paying very little out of pocket. But this is just a tremendous deal, and how long this will last, I do not know. I would do this in store because I think if you do it curbside, it's kind of luck of the draw sometimes when things don't print out. Yes, you can go to the photo department to grab your order, but still sometimes things are rather goofy. It's just a little easier if you can go in store and do this deal. Now, just to show you the receipt here, as you can see, $12 minus the $6.50, $5.50. I used $5 in points. I had to pay $1.25 with the tax, or $1.22 with the tax. And then here are my 2 $5 register rewards. Now, the top one says compliments of P&G and Unilever. That one's a store coupon if you look at the very, very top. And the one below it is a manufacturer register reward. So these are 2 different promotions that are colliding in a very awesome way. If you can go out and do this sooner than later, I'm not sure how much longer it's going to go for, but this is quite tremendous. And if only one prints out, you're basically paying 50 cents for 4 brushes, which is still a killer deal. Before I take off, I just wanted to share something really quick. Yes, I was at a different Walgreens today, and this Dawn Ultra Orange, the 7-ounce bottle, so the itty bitty one, they usually have that apple one that's green, the blue one, which is like the original scent, and then this one at some stores, it was $1.39. It's on clearance now for 14 cents. So that's 90% off, and I would definitely moonwalk down that detergent aisle where they have the dish soap and stuff because this is 90% on dish soap, OMG. And then also near checkout, we have another 90% off. So it was from $1.99 down to 29 cents. It's these Hershey's. It's like some cookie bites, that sort of stuff. I didn't buy any of it. I'm trying to avoid processed sugar. I've been doing this for the last 2 weeks and with a little bit of success, even though this delicious temptation is in front of my face for 29 cents, I avoided it. And then if you need a little pick-me-up, also look for this, which is the 5-hour energy for 39 cents. That is 90% off, which is crazy. And I found these 2 last items at the checkout aisle. The Dawn dish soap sticker I found in the regular cleaning aisle. And always with clearance, it's your mileage may vary. What's happening here in Michigan might be different in Texas, or it might be on the same, clearance schedule. Good luck with this one. I would get out and do that Oral-B toothbrush deal ASAP. You guys really want to get in on a double dip because it is quite fantastic. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.